Halloween, and today I will be doing a prank on my dad with slime poo. So I got my borax here, my glue, and my brown food coloring. And do not be disgusted because it's mostly just food coloring and glue and borax and all sorts of stuff. So let's do this. First you need 7 balls of glue and use all the glue. Okay, now that we have all the 7 balls of glue in here, we now have to put the gel food coloring. You could also use chocolate syrup, but with the gel food coloring, you just have to use 3 or 4 drops, and then it will be, and then we get to the borax part. Okay, so now that we have all of our food coloring and our glue in there, now we can put 5 tablespoons of borax and dilute with a little bit of water into here. Ooh, that looks good. Okay, we got this in there. It's now starting to look like poo. It's actually disturbing me a little bit, but it's starting to look like poo. You just want to keep mixing now. Wow. Now this is great. Feels like I'm pulling chicken tenders. It's sticky too. Now it's time to play a prank on my dad. Yes, bam, yeah. Get done. It was a prank.
Oh, is it?
I'm filming you. I know, look at this. This is great, isn't it?
Okay.
Are you surprised?
Yes.
I don't know how we're going to clean this up, guys, but still, we'll have
What is it?
slime poo.
Slime poo.
But still, have a wonderful day, and we will see you in the next video. Goodbye!